Hey, I want to talk to you about skincare and how I take care of my dry and very sensitive skin when I have a little bit of extra time. This is not going to be labor intensive. I'm not going to try and convince you to do a whole bunch of extra steps to your face. I just want to show you how you can maintain on a daily basis healthy skin. The first thing you have to do is cleanse. Cleanse like you are washing the toxic people out of your life. And the thing that most people forget about washing their face is that you need to take at least a minute. The cleanser needs a minute to break down the dirt and the oils on your face. It's only a minute. It will not kill you. Second thing that I do, I don't rub an abrasive piece of cloth against my face. You pat yourself dry. Just a pat. Don't scour yourself with a towel. You treat your face gently the same way you should treat your spirit gently. The next step is to restore the pH balance of your skin. I use rose water. It's the most natural product I can find to spray on my face. I buy a big 1-liter bottle of rose water and I keep refilling this small little sprayer and I spray my face. This next step is very important. I literally just squeeze aloe vera juice into my hand, a little bit of hyaluronic acid, squalene, or I could have used rosehip oil or vitamin E if I wanted any kind of skin nourishing oil that doesn't clog up your pores. You can use in this serum. I just spray that with rose water. I spread it everywhere. I spread it on my face, my neck, top of my chest, all over my hands. It will hold a lot of moisture against your skin, help your skin absorb that moisture, and it doesn't clog your pores and just lay on the face. It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Or you can use a sheet mask, whatever works for you. I'd say I spent less than €25 on all of these ingredients, and that'll last me 6 months. The step after that is moisturizer, but moisturizer is kind of a misnomer. You use moisturizer to trap moisture against your skin. Now, when I have just a little bit of extra time, I go heavy on my moisturizer. I leave it to set for 5 minutes, and then I'll just tap off the excess. The reason I do this is because modern moisturizers are meant to be hydrating as well as trap and keep moisture against the skin. And I want the full benefit of my serum and that moisturizer. So I'll just tap off the excess the same way you might tap off the excess of a sheet mask. And that's it. My skin, it's glowy, it's healthy, it's happy. No more face dandruff for me. That's very important to me. And I didn't spend a lot of money, which is also important to me. It's important to note that this is not a time-consuming process. Like, I wash my face in the shower. It takes, less than 20 seconds to squeeze all that serum into my hand, wipe it on, and then moisturize. If I don't have a lot of time, I'm not going to put excess moisturizer on and then towel it off. I can do the serum step and the moisturizer step in less than 90 seconds. And my skin is healthy, and you deserve to have healthy skin the same way you deserve to have a healthy spirit and self-care. Thanks, folks. Chat to you later. Bye.